Business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video. Thank you guys for everything, man. If you are new, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income, of course. And guys, I can't do nothing but just say I appreciate everybody for everything you guys are doing. I'm just talking about in general, not nothing that has to do with the channel or me, but everything you're doing in your life. You know what I mean? Seeking information, staying in tune with, trying to surround yourselves around like-minded people. Those things I feel like we don't hear every day. Like, we don't hear how proud people are of us. And even though I may not know you personally, I will say this. Everybody that comments, everybody that DMs me, I take a very long look at you guys, and I appreciate you guys, because if you subscribe to this channel, you're literally an educated hustler. You're a part of my group. Join the Facebook group, of course. Let me actually shout out the newcomers on the Facebook group. I do appreciate it. You can sell phones in my Facebook group. You can also post phones. You can do a whole bunch of different things. You can buy phones. And we're going to be introducing new features. Oh, crap, as well. Y'all, oh, it just messed up. It just messed up the upload. We're going to be doing so many different things when it comes to YouTube, when it comes to the community, when it comes to everything, when it comes to courses now. Of course, I have the Phone Flipping Academy. I also have the Electronic MERCARI Masterclass, but I'm also now getting into another sector of the business, and that sector is going to actually be webinars. And what I mean by webinars is I want to get more personal with you guys, right? So you can pay $80 for electronic flipping course, but you can also pay $77 if you want. You can do either or, and literally work with me live. So I want to be able to actually get this connection with you guys, because I feel as if when I am not so interactive with you guys, I feel like I lose I just lose the personal touch, you know. And I want to be able to touch everybody and be able to just reach you guys, you know. And that's something that is one of my biggest goals coming into this quarter and this month, is just being able to reach you guys, talk to you. I want you guys to know I'm a human. I don't view myself better than anyone. I'm somebody that is just working, trying to become just like you guys. So I'm literally a regular person, down to earth, and I'm down to help anybody. You guys that are out there that DM me, call me. You guys want to call me right here, 445-500-9600. Send me a text, shoot me something if you guys want, and I'll be able to have one of my associates pick up the line, or it probably would be me. Whether it's me or not, we can put you in the right directions, and that's one of the biggest things. So the For Hustlers Only Facebook group is at 72 members right now. I am so appreciative of that. I want to start actually shouting out the people that are actually requesting to be members, and I'll approve you also as I shout you out. So Hype Man Dan, what's up, man? Welcome to the team. Dasani, welcome to the team. And Mahid, welcome to the team, guys. So I'll be doing this from now on, shouting you guys out, because I really do appreciate it. Now, to get into the video, we're literally talking about why flipping phones, you know what I mean? Why this is what you should be doing when you get your check. Why you should be flipping phones, and especially if you're somebody that doesn't have too many bills. So let's say you are in high school. I got a lot of people that are in high school that are just surveying and looking at different ways to make money. Even if you do have your own bills and your own life, just as me, This is a really valuable thing to do, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why in the simplest form, because guys know I don't like to make things seem overcomplicated. You can go ahead and look at a repair kit, right? This is an old repair kit. I don't know where my other one up. An old repair kit. So I can show you this, right? You wouldn't probably know what any of these tools are. I can show you this. You probably wouldn't think you know where any of these tools go. You know what I mean? I can say, hey man, I need you to put this battery inside of our iPhone 12 Pro, and you probably would think, oh, I don't know how to do that. But the more you look into things, the more simple you see they are. Things are not as they appear at all times, and it's the same thing for phone flipping, right? Phone flipping is easy, and the reason why we need to phone flip, or not even flip phones, but flip something, okay? The reason you need to flip something is because one of the biggest transparent things I can say is literally something that you should know, is because it's an asset, okay? So, prime example, boom, this iPhone 14, right? Brought this yesterday from a guy, and I'm gonna do a video about this. Brought this from a guy, okay? And when I brought this phone from this guy, I paid $530, okay? $530. When I paid that amount, you wanna know what I did? I put that $530 into something. Now, I'll say that again. When I brought this phone, I put this money, $530, into this phone. Now, this is $530. So let's theoretically say you get paid $1,000 a week, okay? I know that is not what a lot of people get paid, I know, but let's just say, let's give it a more realistic twist, really realistic. You get paid $1,000 every 2 weeks. Boom, right? Let's say you put $530 into this phone, okay? Into this phone, $530. So you had $1,000, right? You put $530 into this phone, okay? Now, once you put $530 into this phone, now you can't spend this. I can't go to McDonald's and give them a phone for a Happy Meal. I can't go to Raymore and Flanagan and get a comfy love seat for a phone. I can't go to ShopRite, Publix, Walmart and buy groceries with this phone. I can't go and buy anything really with this device. Now, will people trade you and do all this other stuff? Yes, it's a possibility, but you guys get my drift, right? I can't do much with this, okay? But that's what I love about the fact we have the ability to invest our money in assets. Just like people invest their money in stocks. People put money into stocks and watch the stocks go and go low. That is the same exact thing when it comes to phone flipping. Prime example, I can go ahead and I can go to my Hustler's Mindset buyer's price list, which you guys should already have. If you don't have it, it is in the bio, in my description below. Because guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a tool that you guys will need when you guys want to continue to be successful and you want to take it serious, or you just want to buy phones. This is a good barometer. It's something that you can compare. It's something that tells you the market price of devices at all times, and that is helpful. So this is an iPhone 14. Got my list up right here. iPhone 14. This is not sealed. This is clean. But I would say this is activated, right? So I already know that I'm going to be getting $630 for this, okay? $630 currently as of today. I'm not going to lie to you. If I sit on this until next Sunday, prime example, this may go down. It may not be $630. It may be $600. It may be $570. It may be $550. No matter what, I know it's going to go up and it's going to go down. I know that. But regardless, it's an asset. I can post this on OfferUp right now and get my money back. Now you might be like, no, you can't be. No, you can. Yes, I can. I promise you. Now let me tell you guys why I know I can for certain. Number one, because I am willing to sit on it. I'm not rushing to sell this. This thing can sit and collect dust all it wants. Like, this isn't hurting me because I know this is an asset. So if somebody was to say, hey, B, I want to go to Great Adventures, or hey, you want to go to Hawaii, or whatever, I know that I got a plane ticket right here. All I have to do literally is cash this out. That's all I gotta do. So it's like when you're flipping phones, I want you to understand the importance of the asset. The asset. You're investing in an asset, and that is the reason why I'm so big on flipping anything. Like even if it's a charging cord, if I pay $250 for this brick, I already know inevitably that I can make $20. So I just turned $2.50 into $20. Even though I didn't sell it, I know this is worth something to somebody. My $2.50 isn't worth much to anybody but $2.50, if that makes sense. So it's all about understanding assets and understanding that we control our assets and control how much we want to double, triple, quadruple our money. We just have to be willing to break it down and understand. Now you can find out and learn more about this, guys, at, of course, my phone flipping seminar on the 21st, okay? The 21st of this month. The registration link is going to be below. All you have to do is register. It does cost $77. The reason for that is production and also time. Now, guys, I don't want to sit there and try to get rich or try to charge people up. What I want to do is I want to be more interactive. This is a live class, okay? I repeat, a live class. We're going to go over buyer's price list. We're going to go over how you can find buyers. We're going to go over how you can find phones. We're going to go over where you can find phones. We're going to go over how you can get phones fixed and then flip them. We're going to go over what not to buy. We're going to go over how to interact with people. We're going to go over everything. And then at the end, we're going to have a Q&A where you guys can answer. Well, I say answer. You guys can ask me anything you guys want. So, guys, I want you to understand the importance of phone flipping, okay? And we also have an electronic flipping seminar on the 28th, and that is going over how to flip electronics, where to find those AirPod Pros you guys are all asking about, how to flip them, what is the downside, what is the upside, what should you do if you don't have any money but want to flip electronics. I'm going to teach you live, okay? This is $77. Again, all my webinars are just going to be $77 because that is the bare minimum of what I need to be able to continue to provide you with the best quality and content possible. And I want you guys to understand how grateful I am that you are even watching this video. I am not a money hungry individual. And the reason I keep bringing this up is because I do get DMs with a lot of people letting me know that they can't afford things. And I do sympathize, and I do want you guys to know that I'm trying to make sure that you guys don't ever have to worry about feeling like somebody is trying to press you against the wall to spend your whole check or whatever you got going on just so you can learn. That's not how I operate, because the way I got to where I am and learned the things I learned was people helping me, people really believing in me. And everybody that hits that subscribe button, I believe in you automatically because I know that you're trying to improve your life. When you are an educated hustler, I know for a fact that you're trying to improve your life. And that's all we can do, guys. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to get it done. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.